Today, we're diving into a bright and healthy breakfast option, golden turmeric oats. This dish not only looks like sunshine in a bowl, but also packs a powerful punch of nourishment to kickstart your day. Turmeric is a magnificent spice with a long history, used in Ayurvedic medicine for its wonderful properties against inflammation and support for brain health. It's more than just a colorful ingredient. It's a wellness tradition. Now let's gather our ingredients for this delicious dish. We'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of milk or your favorite plant-based alternative, and spices like a half teaspoon of ground turmeric, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper to help unlock turmeric's powers. For sweetness, we'll add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, and feel free to top with chopped walnuts, berries, or coconut flakes. In a cozy pot, combine those oats and milk, then stir in the spices. Let it simmer on low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches that thick and creamy texture we love. This golden bowl isn't just beautiful, it's anti-inflammatory and promotes brain health, keeping you energized and satisfied. Once it's ready, top it with your favorite goodies. I find walnuts add a lovely crunch, and berries bring a burst of flavor and antioxidants. This dish is perfect for those busy homeschool mornings, long garden days, or just cozy weekends at home. Every spoonful is like a little ray of sunshine, and kids can't resist that cheerful color. Let's take a moment to savor the final result. It's creamy, inviting, and a little magical. I'd love for you to try this recipe and let me know how your golden oats turn out. Remember, every bite from nature helps us grow strong and kind.